In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2 columns of text in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add some stylistic flair to your website or simply need to organize your content more efficiently, setting up 2 columns can be incredibly beneficial. We'll guide you through this easy process in just 5 minutes. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. If you're already logged in, great. But if not, click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Now, for a seamless experience, continue by selecting the option to log in with Google. Make sure you're using the Google account associated with your Squarespace site. With access sorted, go ahead and click on your website from the dashboard. This will lead you to the main editing view. Once you're there, your next step is to look for the edit button. You'll find it usually near content areas or page sections you'd like to alter. Clicking it brings up a wide array of customization tools. Now that you're in editing mode, keep an eye out for the option labeled Add Block. This feature is your gateway to adding various types of content to your site, like images, videos, or in this case text. Click on Add Block, and from the menu that appears, select Text. This will add a new text block to your page, ready for your content. With your text block added, the next job is to click on the small pencil icon that appears. This icon allows you to edit the text block. Enter the text you want in the first column. Don't worry if it's not perfect right now. Squarespace makes it simple to go back and edit later. Once your first text block is formatted, repeat the process, click Add Block again, select Text, and use the pencil icon to input your text. This will create your second text block. It's much like the first one, but this time you'll position it to form that desirable 2-column layout. Here's the key part: making these blocks sit side by side. Take the second text block and drag it. You want to position it right next to the first block. As you move it slowly, you should see a guide or a highlight helping you align them properly. Release the block and you'll notice the 2 paragraphs standing side by side, neatly forming 2 columns. And there you have it. You've successfully created 2 columns of text in Squarespace. Feel free to play around with font styles, sizes, and even added elements to make your webpage stand out even more. This simple yet effective method not only enhances readability, but brings a professional touch to your website layout. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.